Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix to avoid interruptions to your subscriptions and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So guys, if you are also facing this problem, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings in your device. And from here you have to tap on your profile, and now tap on payment and shipping. And from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time. So guys, as you can see this, I have already removed it. So guys, after this, go back. Once you remove your payment method, now tap on sign in and security, and tap on change password. Enter the passcode of your iPhone, and from here you have to simply change the password for your Apple ID, and after this go back, and from here turn on your two-factor authentication as well. So guys, do this and again go back, and from here scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID in your device. So guys, simply sign out your Apple ID, and after this restart your device for one time. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down button, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, restart it, and after this you have to simply sign in your Apple ID again in your device. So guys, sign in your Apple ID again, and now tap on payment and shipping. And from here you have to simply add your payment method again correctly. So guys, simply add your payment method correctly again, and after this go back, and now tap on subscriptions, and from here make sure that there is no unpaid subscriptions on your Apple ID. So guys, if there is any unpaid subscription, you have to simply pay for it, and after this go back, and now you have to simply scroll it below and tap on general, and from here tap on date and time, and from here you have to simply set your date and time, and after this go back, and now tap on VPN and device management, and make sure that there is no connected VPN in this device. So guys, if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.